Test 2. Memorization of the Tagalog words learned from lesson 10 to 12. Hi, I'm Rodolfo Martin Vitancol, a Filipino. In this video, I will present to you test on memorization of the Tagalog words learned from lesson 10 to lesson 12. Translated in Tagalog, pagsusulit hinggil sa mga minemoryang salitang Tagalog na natutunan mula sa lesson 10 hanggang lesson 12. Why the test on memorization? You cannot speak the words that do not exist in your brain. The more words you know about the new language, the better for your expressing your thoughts in that new language. A learner must at least know 2,000 words to carry on everyday conversations in Tagalog. There is only one way to put as many words as you can into your brain, and that is through memorization. This test is about how well you have memorized all the words the program has introduced from lesson 10 to lesson 12. Here are the questions on a per lesson basis. Lesson 10. Descriptions of people in Tagalog. Write down the Tagalog translations of the following words. Pause the video to copy them. Lesson 11. Descriptions of places in Tagalog. Write down the Tagalog translations of the following words. Pause the video to copy them. Lesson 12. Descriptions of things in Tagalog. Write down the Tagalog translations of the following words. Pause the video to copy them. Did you pass the test? If you did, congrats. If you did not, don't give up. No pain, no gain. Thanks for taking the test. Have a nice day, and God bless. Mabuhay.